Yep, you guys already know what we about to do today. Let's go. What's up, this your boy Rico, and we're about to do a shift boot install. We're actually changing the shift boot I have on there right now. A lot of people ask me about this. Rico, is your shift boot made out of boxers? Yeah, it is. Now, here's our options. I think we're gonna go with this one. And yes, they're clean. You know, you don't want to put no shitty drawers in your car and you rolling with your badass Breezy, right? She like, why your car always smell like shit? You like, I don't know. You know, a lot of y'all out there don't be wiping your asses right. Now you want to make sure you're out of gear before you even start anything. Now, some shift knobs, you can have some set screws. That's right here. Mines are like majority of others. You can just twist them off. Set that to the side. Then remove the locking nut. And also remove any other items that you got. The tray, so anything won't get caught up. This bad boy. And now you're gonna have a total of 6 screws that you have to remove. Now what I like to do is turn it all the way over and then go to reverse. Make it a lot easier. Make sure the glove box is down because it's a little tab right here that is covering. And then gently pull away. You see, I thought this bad boy was all the way loose. Let me see, where you at, where you at? There we go. Now make sure you don't rip the other one. Cap that's already on there. Make sure you clear. Easily work it around the shifter. Booyah. Home free. Now loosen these 2 screws up. That's 1. That's 2. Now pull the shift boot out and it comes out just like that. Set the center console to the side and now you have your shift boot. Now what you have to do is release these tabs. So you can get, like, you know, a knife, anything, butter knife or whatever, or you can just use scissors to pry these up. So now, that's the shift boot. So what I like to do is take the one that you already have, right? Or it could be the stock one if you're just doing this for the first time. You see the slots that are cut already. That was already in the shift boot. Take whatever material that you're finna use and lay that over. And then you can size it up to see where you need to be, like the size or whatever. And then once you get that figured out, just cut the length. Let me see what side I want to use. I will use, let me see. You gotta pick a good section out. Let me use this side. Now I know you guys is like, damn, this one's a lot smaller than the original one that I had on there. You can make them any size you want. So you have the slots on the side, and all you have to do is match the 3 on the CRX. This bezel you have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Now set the bezel in the center, and then make the slots even with the bezel. Now you guys can see the slits. Oh, there you go. They're like right there. I have 3 on that side, 3 on this side, and 2 down there. Now you just have to make your center hole for the shift knob itself. Now you take your bezel, get the shift boot, and you want to feed it in. Around the little tabs. I'm sorry, I'm doing this so wrong. Let me see, hold on. This goes in this way, so that means the shift boot will go around, yeah. You can do it either way, but I like mine going around the bezel for a cleaner look. Now if you guys can see that, just fold the shift boot over the tabs. Now you guys have your shift boot. Now this one sits a lot lower. The more material you use, the more boofy your shift boot would be. But I don't want mine to be as boofy as this one was, so I used a lot less material. So mine will sit really low. And let's go install this bad boy. Now no matter if you have a lot of material, you know, if you use a lot like this, it's pretty big. Or if you use the same amount that I used, make sure you make your hole center, number 1. Number 2, depends on how big you make this hole. Now, this shift boot and this shift boot, if you want your shift boot to sit low, make this hole pretty big, because you know the shifter tapers out. The lower it gets to, you know, the bottom. So, or if you want your shift boot to sit kind of high up on the shifter, like right below the shifter nut, most likely you're gonna have to have enough material so you can do that. But make sure you make the hole small, not big like this one. So now we just reinstall it. Now make sure you're in reverse, and then carefully find the hole in the shift boot, put it over, and then gradually massage this bad boy back over. There we go. And then take your screws, reinstall them. shift knob. Bottom it out, and then bam. And center it. Oh yeah. Oh. You gotta put your ashtray back in, right? Whatever you took out. Oh yeah. Forgetting one screw. I know I was like, damn, there was one screw sitting there. Okay guys, we got it all back together, so now I can give you guys a shot of how it looks. So yeah guys, that was the install of the shift boot. It's real easy. Like I said, it's gonna vary between cars. Hope you guys liked the video. Rate, comment, please subscribe and hit that bell so y'all can get, update on all the little videos I do. So this is your boy SI Rico and I'm out. Peace!